This is a much needed retake of the lifts at TSWG House in Brisbane City, Queensland. Look at these buttons. Oh, this floor's a bit weird. EPL? Oh, the brake release is so bad. The brakes are weird on this thing. Stop button. Imagine how rough that would be on a freaking massive, like, 3 millisecond lift. Come on. Brake release again. Yeah, rough again. Cow view. Weird things on the floor. LCD indicator. Really big handrail. Look at that massive thing. One more ride down. Look for the brake release. How rough it's going to be again. Jeez, so bad. 1,088 kilograms. That's really random. You seen the doors? It's like Nova Elements door seals, kind of round. The indicator should be there. There you go.